Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This one was actually attempted theft before we got out to it. So the customer's gone for a Starline Pro, which compared to a phone, you can have an optional Bluetooth tag or you can use a push sequence. If none of them are here and a thief copies the key, does a relay attack, goes to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. The customer can go for a push sequence if it's them and they don't have the phone on them, hear a tone and then start the vehicle. Or like this customer doesn't want to do the code, so he's got a tag and a phone. If we just turn the Bluetooth on, this has an adjustable range, so you don't need to turn it on and off. When you leave the vehicle, the system becomes active. When you come back, the system disarms. So with it just in your pocket, get in, start the car. You hear a tone, you can drive away. No need to waste any time for code. You're taking it for a service, press and hold on here, or you can do the same with the tag button until it goes yellow. Let go, we get 2 bleeps in the car and it becomes a normal vehicle regardless of the Bluetooth tags or the code. It's going to start up. Jeep can service it. You don't need to tell them there's any security fitted. When you get it back, to turn it back on is the same process again. Press and hold till it goes green. Let go. We get 2 bleeps and the system's active. So we'll turn the Bluetooth off so we don't have to get out of the vehicle. Just to test it, if we try and start it up now, vehicle doesn't start. If you want to change the code on this, how you do that, you turn the vehicle off, start from the start. So you'll double tap the start button with your foot off the brake till it goes around to run. Pop your code in to prove it's you. Once you've got your tone, you can press one of the buttons 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off and then double press back on. We'll get 5 bleeps and it's ready to learn a code. So we'll pop that in. Wait for a confirmation tone and then repeat it again. Wait for the confirmation tone again, and that's the code learned. You can turn the vehicle off. If you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline i96 Pro with a phone paired, Bluetooth tag and a push sequence. So now, if we try to start it, it's not going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, our new code. We get the tone and the vehicle starts. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.